Hi, I'm Alan Ross, Managing Editor of APC Media. We are here at the 2026 IEEE PES T&D show.
Hi, my name is Ghuge, and I'm the managing partner at Texas Transformers and Equipment. We are based in Dallas, Texas, and we specialize in providing the pad-mounted transformers up to 10 MVA, 44 kV, and the power transformers up to 300 MVA, 345 kV.
Hi, my name is Telawne. I am the managing founder and CEO of Texas Transformers and Equipments. The states what we have covered is around the country itself, and the number of products that we have been installed and commissioned are 200 plus, and we are expecting those to run in thousands going ahead coming years. With the manufacturing facility in Telawne Power Equipment in Mumbai, India, the three facilities that provide UL products for US requirement. We also have manufacturing and assembly in Texas, Dallas, which is producing up to 5 MVA pad mounted units.